Hello guys, I want to show you this new feature on GitHub. It's called GitHub Codespaces. It allows you to write code on your browser using the VS Code IDE. Okay, so if you want to start a new code space, all you have to do is I already have one here, guys. So you see I already have one here. It's running on a 2 core. It's running on a 2 core 4 GB RAM. I can start a new code space right here, and then I just need to choose the repository I want to use. I'm going to choose this. uh, okay, I'm going to choose this guy here. It's a fast API application running on Python. Okay, so here I choose the 2 core. That should be enough for this test, and then I click on create. Of course, you can choose where you want your virtual machine to be created here, and then you can choose the branch. You can choose the master branch, and then I click on create code space. It takes a little bit of time to set this up. It takes a little bit of time. uh, while that is setting up, I'm going to show you how much it will cost you to run this code space. So I'm going to come right here to code spaces, and this is what I already have. And let me just type GitHub code space pricing here. Okay, so let's go right down to the plans. So for the 2 cores, the one we just created right now, is going to we first have 60 hours of free hour. We have 60 free hours per month, and then we have additional hours I charge at $0.18 per hour, which means if you're working 10 hours per day, 70 hours per week, 300 hours per month, excluding the free hours, you're going to have to pay $54. So you can subtract 300 minus 60, and then you multiply by 0.18. That's how much you're going to pay if you're running a 2 core machine. Remember, you can run this only per repository, so each repository will have its own. I believe you should be able to turn down the resources if you're not using it, so it doesn't consume the time. Okay, so that's how much it will cost you guys if you're using this one. This is how much it's going to cost you. Let's see how far this has already gone. Okay, it seems this is already set up. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's still setting up, guys. It's still setting up. It takes a little bit of time because this is the first time to set up, but I'm going to open one that's already set up so we don't have to waste a lot of time here. So this okay. So this right here is my another project, the fire project. It's already set up for me. As you can see, I have a full running Ubuntu machine. It's a remote machine running, and I can code right here and commit my code right here, and it's going to work just the same as it was on a local machine. So basically, this permits you to carry along your code to as you move along. Of course, it will take some time because you need to set up this virtual machine. You have to set up the databases and a couple of other things. But yeah, it enables you to be able to carry your machine along, and or to just pick up any machine anywhere and just start coding, without you having to walk around with your own machine. And just in case your machine gets stolen, you are able to pick up any machine and then just sign up on your GitHub repository, move to your code space, and boom, you start coding. So that's the beauty about this, guys. That's the beauty of this. Of course, it comes with a small fee. So if you feel comfortable, you can go ahead to use this. So this is GitHub Codespaces, guys. Check it out. If you like it, you can use it, and that's it. Have fun and happy coding.